Hi everyone, welcome to Database Tutorial. So in today's video, we will see that how we can create our annotations. Now, what is annotation? So annotation is writing any context to our visual. So here we can either highlight a point or any area, and we can write information related to it, and we can, along with visual information, we can also give some written information to the user, to the end user. So for that purpose, we can use annotations. In annotations, we can give it in three types. So we have mark, we have point, we have area. So let's see all the three. In the mark, what we can do, we can mark a point and give annotation, write something about that point. So suppose I am giving a mark here in this highest bar, that is of TVG rating. So I am giving the mark here. So I will right click, go to annotation, and I will click on mark. So this will be marked, and here I can give the information whatever I want. So suppose here I want to write the information of highest rating, and my rating field is tagged in front of it. Then I want the count, so count field is tagged, and in count of field I want to write nothing, so I will keep it like this. And I want to make this font size bigger of 12 points and bold. Now I will click on OK. Now I can see that this point has been marked. I can readjust this annotation area according to my preference. I can readjust it, and also I can format it. So format, I will right click on it, I will go to format here, and from here I can choose whether I want the box or not, how much shading I want for it, and if I want any other color shading I can give that. Border, if I want to give, so suppose if I want to give it a border, corners I want to keep more rounded, and line I want to give it a line of gray color, and line, and in the line and I want an arrow, I can give that. So this way I can format my annotation, and I can just move it around. So this is the mark of this point. Now suppose if I am filtering my data and TVG rating I am filtering out, I am not displaying TVG rating, that mark will also be not be visible. So that mark will be visible only on TVG rating, because that has been marked. Similarly, we can do with the point. We'll mark this G point here. We'll go to annotate point, and here I want to write this only, count is equal to count of the rating. Click on OK. Now the count is visible here. This point has been marked, only this point. This point is of 41 count, so that's why only this point has been marked. Suppose if I want to annotate any area, so I can click on any area, and I can go to annotate, and I can click on area. So here mainly I can write any information whatever I want. So suppose I want to write that depicting ratings count in whole data. Now I will just format it. I want to give it 9 points. I want to keep it bold, and I want to keep it in gray. I will click on OK. Now let's resize it, and I want to keep it here. Now what I want, that I want to format it in this way that no shading is there, and everything box is also none. What will be coming like this, like it is written in on the chart only, and this will not be removed from this chart now. So like this we can create three types of annotations: mark, point and area. So that's it for today. If you have any queries, you can simply ask in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. And now we will meet in our next video. Till then, take care and happy learning.